Today, we're at a car manufacturing factory, and what you see here are different parts of a car. Here's an engine, the gearbox, the headlights, the mirrors, and the brakes. All these and many more parts are put together to make a car. But each of these parts is also made up of smaller parts. For example, the engine consists of a spark plug, piston rings, crankshaft, connecting rod, sump, and valves. So, basically, many small parts are put together to form bigger parts, and the bigger parts are put together to manufacture a car. Are you wondering where the algebra is in all of this? Well, forming algebraic expressions is just like putting together parts of a car. Let's see how. Here's an algebraic expression. An algebraic expression is a mathematical phrase that contains ordinary numbers, variables like x or y, and mathematical operators like add, subtract, multiply, or divide. This expression consists of three parts: 5xy, 3y, and 7. Parts of an expression which are formed separately and then put together with operators like addition or subtraction are known as terms. So, 5xy, 3y, and 7 are the terms of this expression. These terms are formed by multiplying variables and numbers. Let's look at the term 5xy. This term is made up of a number 5 and variables x and y. Then we have 3y, which is a product of 3 and y. And finally, we have 7, which is a constant term as it has no variables. The smaller parts like 5, x and y in a term 5xy are called factors. So, factors combine to form a term, and terms are put together to form an algebraic expression. We can see that one of these factors may be a number like 5, and the others could be variables like x and y. The number is called the numerical coefficient or just coefficient of the term, while the variables are called the algebraic factors. Hence, we can say that in 5xy, 5 is the coefficient of the term and x and y are the algebraic factors. Do you know there are two types of terms in an algebraic expression? When terms have the same algebraic factors, they are called like terms. For example, in this expression, the factors of 2xy are 2, x, and y, and the factors of 5xy are 5, x, and y. Since they have the same algebraic factors, that is x and y, 2xy and 5xy are called like terms. On the other hand, negative 7x and 4y have different factors, x and y, so they are called unlike terms. If an expression contains only one term, it is called a monomial. For example, negative 7xy, 8z, 2x. If an expression contains two unlike terms, it is called a binomial. For example, 3x plus 4y or 4xy plus 2z. An expression which contains three unlike terms is called a trinomial. For example, 2x plus 3xy plus 7y. In general, an expression with one or more unlike terms is called a polynomial. Therefore, a monomial, binomial, and trinomial are all polynomials. Phew, that's a lot, but head back to your tutor to understand more about algebraic expressions.